All I'm going to do is, so this one has got like little face framing bits, which I'll do at the end. But these bits here, if I just get the short bits, can you see it's like right in my eyes? So I'm literally just going to get it like this. Keep it straight. I'm going to cut a tiny bit. Wait a minute. Let's get it straight. And then I am going to look up and I'm going to cut it from here. So I'm just going to keep going. Lovely. All of my face. And then I'm literally just going to cut into it so it's not so straight. Because who has straight bangs? No one. So this is going to be a really quick video, guys. I just thought I'd quickly do this. Before I went out and took all your packages out, really. So, hairdressing scissors are best to be used. Don't get a little pair out like I did at your nail scissors pack. It won't work. So, now that fringe is just about long enough for me. I will like it. That is so much better. And then, see these bits? I'm just going to frame these around my face. I'm literally just going to cut it down because they're a bit long now. So, let me just find... So I've got this one here. Hello, if you've popped on, nice to see you. I'm just cutting the fringe on my wig. I just thought I'd come on and say hello to you all. And then I'm just going to go down like that. Yeah, like that length there. That's nice. And let me just get this side out. And literally as easy as that, guys. It's just practice, honestly. Get an old wig and practice if you want to, at first. But it is so easy. Just go along. And then I'm just going to go down this side. I like doing that, it's really satisfying. And literally, is that side shorter than this? Yeah, see this side's a bit shorter, so I'm just going to go a little bit shorter. Lovely. It's right nice, that is. I come from Doncaster. Alright, I moved to Norfolk when I was about 10, so I always put the accent on. But look, I'm so pleased with that. That fringe was so long when I started. I was like here. And it looks bloody fantastic. And this is Kenya, guys. I love this wig. I love a long moment. So that is me for the day. I'm now going to take all your packages to the post office. Hello to anyone that's popped on. Nice to see you. I was just showing you how to cut the fringe on my wig. So if you want to go back and watch a replay, you can. Yeah, and that's it from me today, guys. I really want to